Welcome to Singing with Ron!
So in this video, we're going to do a lot of the things that we just did in the past video, but we're going to make sound at the same time. So this one will be for men, and we're going to sing the most easy and comfortable note for men is around an F. So you can try this if you find F sharp's a little easier or E flat is a little easier, that's cool. So we're going to start with our ankles. We're going to lean forward, tension, lean back, finding that nice neutral place. You want to feel like the sound while you're doing this is resonating in your lips and in your nose and in the front of your face. So next what we're going to do is lock our knees. And stiffen our legs and maybe our butt. Good. And now tilt your pelvis forward. Tension, tension. Just keep experiencing that sound in the front of your face. Lifting your chest, dropping your chest a little bit. Now completely dropping your vein, your chest. Good. And then think about your chin leaning forward. Increasing, think about your ears being up and spreading your nose. That helps to get more resonant up front. Making your face and everything just like really droopy. Opening right in here. Good. That's talking more about breathing, and that's looking ahead. But basically that is the exercise. Humming on the note and just exploring your posture and exploring when your sound is effortlessly forward. This is a wonderful discovery. Great.